Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn rewards by referring friends on Robinhood. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you use the Robinhood app for buying, selling stocks and crypto. How do you actually go ahead and earn rewards on Robinhood? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and click on the Robinhood app. Next, from this page here, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on the profile icon. Now, there's multiple ways about doing this. You can simply click on Earn Rewards and then click on Invite Friends. And then what you can do is that you could actually click on Share Link, and it's going to give you a link that you could actually go ahead and share to friends. Now, when you invite a friend, they're going to get a $5 to $200 worth of stock, and you're going to be able to both get up to $1,500 of stock a year. But with that being said, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and earn rewards by referring friends to Robinhood. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.